ton jora kham mar kisi takuk song ang nong logi tonga hamidorma sin logi makasi sir say something about this program.
This is a program one northeast, and we are very much hopeful that northeast will come united, and we should raise our voice of deprivation, deception, and our for development. And this is the initial stage from opening from Tripura, and we will be hopeful that Government of India and others will pay heed to our demands. We will be no more in neglecting a position. We hope that Government of India will give a development to the northeast, and northeast as a whole, not in Tripura only. We are deprived in Tripura in all respect. So we hope and we pray to Government of India and state government also to be more sympathetic to the people, our people, so that we can say that we are one. This was done a bit later, but later is better than never. We have our Maharaj and Kanadji has come forward to united Northeast, and Northeast, the most neglected area of the India. And what Bangladesh is telling, we should raise our voice that no one can deprive us anymore. Our voice will be united.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sing khnapa sin san kuti bosaka sing notice oba haike je notice different state leader of Thansa khlai oba hai khlai kaisa bubagran tujulumai oba hai Thansa khlai je din ho one notice really Thansa really khain thangai tong abonti bo black hang nakuma saka indro nachru ma ken salumbrung